In a school adorned with shimmering cyan strip lights that sparkle across the ceiling, a remarkable teacher roamed the hallways, captivating students with unexpected lessons. This teacher, affectionately known as Turkey, embodied a fusion of cultures that sparked creativity and musical exploration in the hearts of his pupils. As the cafeteria buzzed with the anticipation of an art project illuminated by vibrant magenta lights, Turkey prepared to unveil an extraordinary journey into the world of music. Back in the classroom, Turkey transformed traditional teaching into an immersive experience. He introduced students to the enchanting sounds of Native American flutes and drums, guiding them expertly in constructing these instruments from natural materials. With patience and enthusiasm, he demonstrated how to take simple pipes and attach bags to create instruments that would echo through the school halls. Then, in a delightful twist, Turkey revealed a piece of his own identity by unveiling the art of making kilts. Dressed in a painstakingly crafted cyan tartan, he stood as a living testament to the marrying of cultures. The students learned not just to craft instruments, but to appreciate the rich narratives woven into each stitch and note. As the lessons unfolded, Turkey discovered deeper layers of his heritage. He learned he was not solely affiliated with Native American culture, but also proudly Scottish. With infectious energy, he introduced the students to the haunting melodies of Scottish smallpipes and the mighty sound of the great Highland bagpipes. Each student was enthralled as they embraced the rhythms of both cultures. Turkey took his passion further by teaching how to create a practice chanter, an essential tool for aspiring Highland bagpipers. With each handmade instrument, the classroom transformed into a vibrant music band. Together, they formed not just a Native American flute and drum band, but also a spirited bagpipe ensemble. At home, surrounded by dozens of cyan lights, Turkey couldn't contain his happiness. The echoes of the flutes intertwined with the faint sounds of small pipes danced through his dreams that night. As he slipped into a peaceful slumber, he felt the duality of his heritage. He was more than a Turkey. He was a proud custodian of Native American and Scottish cultures, forever cherishing the music that connected him to his roots.